The housing set secures all of the drill's other components and forms the grip handle. It comes with the rubber pins that help secure the batteries and the nuts for the belt clip already installed. The most common problem with the housing set is accidental damage caused by dropping the drill, or if something falls on it. Replacing the housing set is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. Now I can install the new housing. I'll separate the two halves of the housing and lay just one half on the table. Now I'll remove all the components of the drill and move them over to the new housing. I'll take my time as I do this and keep track of how everything fits into place. As I remove the gearbox, I want to make sure that I don't accidentally remove the selector from the gearbox itself. Next, I'll pull the switch and its selector and the various wires. I'll remove the terminal and control board. And now I can transfer everything over to the new housing. First, I'm going to slide the gearbox and motor assembly into the new housing. And make sure everything aligns properly. Now I'll begin to work the switch and its wires back down into the housing. I'll align the direction changing selector with the tab on the switch and slide these into the housing. I'll reinstall the LED light into the housing. And tuck its harness out of the way. I'll tuck all the control wires back into the housing. And now I'll realign the control board and the terminal with the housing and slide those into place. And now I'll tuck in the wires from the control board to the stator. And now I can reinstall the housing. and now you know how to replace the housing set on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up